Hi everyone, welcome to my English practice class. Today we will practice future simple tense. I will eat. Let's practice like this 5-0 sentence. I will go. You will read. He will write. She will cook. We will play. They will travel. I will learn. You will speak. He will drive. She will sing. We will help. They will watch. I will study. You will listen. He will buy. She will clean. We will work. They will win. I will sleep. You will teach. He will run. She will draw. We will build. They will start. I will try. You will open. He will close. She will dance. We will meet. They will wait. I will call. You will answer. He will fix. She will help. We will grow. They will choose. I will remember. You will forget. He will believe. She will smile. We will share. They will move. I will stop. You will continue. He will change. She will improve. We will succeed. They will learn. I will rest. You will try. Let's practice like this 50 sentence. I won't go. You won't read. He won't write. She won't cook. We won't play. They won't travel. I won't learn. You won't speak. He won't drive. She won't sing. We won't help. They won't watch. I won't study. You won't listen. He won't buy. She won't clean. We won't work. They won't win. I won't sleep. You won't teach. He won't run. She won't draw. We won't build. They won't start. I won't try. You won't open. He won't close. She won't dance. We won't meet. They won't wait. I won't call. You won't answer. He won't fix. She won't help. We won't grow. They won't choose. I won't remember. You won't forget. He won't believe. She won't smile. We won't share. They won't move. I won't stop. You won't continue. He won't change. She won't improve. We won't succeed. They won't learn. I won't rest. You won't try. Let's practice like this 50 sentence. Will I go? Will you read? Will he write? Will she cook? Will we play? Will they travel? Will I learn? Will you speak? Will he drive? Will she sing? Will we help? Will they watch? Will I study? Will you listen? Will he buy? Will she clean? Will we work? Will they win? Will I sleep? Will you teach? Will he run? Will she draw? Will we build? Will they start? Will I try? Will you open? Will he close? Will she dance? Will we meet? Will they wait? Will I call? Will you answer? Will he fix? Will she help? Will we grow? Will they choose? Will I remember? Will you forget? Will he believe? Will she smile? Will we share? Will they move? Will I stop? Will you continue? Will he change? Will she improve? Will we succeed? Will they learn? Will I rest? Will you try? Let's practice like this 50 sentence. Won't I go? Won't you read? Won't he write? Won't she cook? Won't we play? Won't they travel? Won't I learn? Won't you speak? Won't he drive? Won't she sing? Won't we help? Won't they watch? Won't I study? Won't you listen? Won't he buy? Won't she clean? Won't we work? Won't they win? Won't I sleep? Won't you teach? Won't he run? Won't she draw? Won't we build? Won't they start? Won't I try? Won't you open? Won't he close? Won't she dance? Won't we meet? Won't they wait? Won't I call? Won't you answer? Won't he fix? Won't she help? Won't we grow? Won't they choose? Won't I remember? Won't you forget? Won't he believe? Won't she smile? Won't we share? Won't they move? Won't I stop? Won't you continue? Won't he change? Won't she improve? Won't we succeed? Won't they learn? Won't I rest? Won't you try? Let's practice like this 50 sentence. What will I eat? What will you read? What will he write? What will she cook? What will we play? What will they watch? What will I learn? What will you speak? What will he buy? What will she sing? What will we build? What will they choose? What will I drink? What will you listen to? What will he drive? What will she clean? What will we do? What will they win? What will I study? What will you teach? What will he fix? What will she draw? What will we make? What will they start? What will I try? What will you open? What will he close? What will she wear? What will we meet for? What will they wait for? What will I call? What will you answer? What will he change? What will she help with? What will we grow? What will they move? What will I remember? What will you forget? What will he believe? What will she improve? What will we share? What will they learn? What will I stop? What will you continue? What will he plan? What will she decide? What will we achieve? What will they finish? What will I rest after? What will you try next? Let's practice like this 50 sentence. What won't I eat? What won't you read? What won't he write? What won't she cook? What won't we play? What won't they watch? What won't I learn? What won't you speak? What won't he buy? What won't she sing? What won't we build? What won't they choose? What won't I drink? What won't you listen to? What won't he drive? What won't she clean? What won't we do? What won't they win? What won't I study? What won't you teach? What won't he fix? What won't she draw? What won't we make? What won't they start? What won't I try? What won't you open? What won't he close? What won't she wear? What won't we meet for? What won't they wait for? What won't I call? What won't you answer? What won't he change? What won't she help with? What won't we grow? What won't they move? What won't I remember? What won't you forget? What won't he believe? What won't she improve? What won't we share? New noun, new pronoun, new verb with future simple tense positive practice. You will drink milk. He will read books. She will cook meals. We will play games. They will watch movies. I will buy fruits. You will write letters. He will drive cars. She will clean rooms. We will build houses. They will start work. I will learn English. You will teach students. He will fix phones. She will draw pictures. We will grow plants. They will choose colors. I will open doors. You will close windows. He will plan trips. She will help neighbors. We will meet friends. They will win matches. I will call parents. You will answer questions. He will change plans. She will wear clothes. We will share ideas. They will move furniture. I will rest today. You will continue work. He will improve skills. She will decide matters. We will achieve goals. They will finish tasks. I will send messages. You will receive gifts. He will repair bikes. She will wash dishes. We will paint walls. They will save files. I will lose keys. You will find answers. He will break rules. She will follow orders. We will join teams. They will leave places. I will raise hands. You will lower flags. He will push carts. She will pull ropes. We will catch balls. They will throw stones. I will climb hills. You will cross roads. He will open shops. She will close gates. New pronoun, new verb, and new noun. With future simple tense 100 sentence practice. I won't buy books. You won't read letters. He won't write stories. She won't cook meals. We won't play games. They won't watch shows. I won't drink juice. You won't eat snacks. He won't drive cars. She won't clean rooms. We won't build houses. They won't start work. I won't open doors. You won't close windows. He won't fix phones. She won't draw pictures. We won't learn lessons. They won't teach students. I won't call friends. You won't answer calls. He won't change plans. She won't wear dresses. We won't meet people. They won't wait buses. I won't choose colors. You won't remember names. He won't forget rules. She won't believe stories. We won't share secrets. They won't move furniture. I won't stop work. You won't continue tasks. He won't improve skills. She won't help neighbors. We won't grow plants. They won't win matches. I won't try methods. You won't rest today. He won't plan trips. She won't decide matters. We won't achieve goals. They won't finish jobs. I won't sell products. You won't buy clothes. He won't repair bikes. She won't wash dishes. We won't paint walls. They won't cut trees. I won't send messages. You won't receive gifts. He won't carry bags. She won't sweep floors. We won't print papers. They won't save files. I won't lose keys. You won't find answers. He won't break rules. She won't follow orders. We won't join teams. They won't leave places. I won't raise hands. You won't lower flags. He won't push carts. She won't pull ropes. We won't catch balls. They won't throw stones. I won't climb hills. You won't cross roads.